Welcome to Nanny and Pa's Adventures. This is Tony, or Pa, as my grandkids call me Pa. But we are not up north. This is up north Amish cabin updates. This is the door part. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm doing. This is my workshop. I'll give you a little shot of that. But I started building this door last year and tore my rotator cuff, my left rotator cuff muscle in my shoulder, and I wasn't able to lift anything. Had surgery January. It's been 6 months in. I'm just now getting to the point where I can start lifting stuff. So I want to get back to work on this door. It's a solid 2x8. I believe it's 2x8. I will measure if I can find my tape measure. It is a 2x10. It is a 2x10 solid door, of course, with, I'm going to turn this around and give you a shot of what I'm doing and then talk to you a little bit about what I'm going to do. Okay, here's the door. Shoshone Bond, I believe that's what it's called. This is the door. I'll show you a little bit of what I'm doing. This is going to be the outside of the door exposed to the weather. And then I have 1x6s where the hinges are going to go to make the door a little bit more solid, and then get to the 1 7/8 that I need. So I routed them in, glued them and screwed them, let it set over winter. Now I'm getting a little bit of Shoshone Bond. I'll show you how to do that. Let me get my torch set going, and then I'll be taking it up north just to give you a little idea of how it's done. So if you can see, you just get a torch and you just start burning the wood. I'm not gonna do a whole video on doing the Shoshone Bond because it's gonna take me probably at least an hour to do. And then so I'm gonna just give you a quick tour of what's going on. We are not up north, if I said that already. This is my third video. So I'm trying to learn as I go. Please be patient. This is my workshop. Very small, very congested, packed. I just switched over from a new platform, a battery platform, as you can see, that is rigid, because I wanted to buy the rigid track saw. And they have a pretty good one, so I went ahead and switched over my battery platform for that. And again, here's the door. Like I said, here's my workshop. We're in the process of looking for something bigger. Like I said, it's small. It's got a lot of stuff in it, but I have to do, work with what I have. This is my CNC. This is a Bob CNC. I still have all my paints, drills, everything that I need, air compressor, miter saw, drill, my router bits. So what I'm going to do with this door is finish burning it, and then each one of these seams, I'm going to router each one of these seams and epoxy them with a black epoxy. So that's going to take some time. I may try to do another part 2 video, which I'm going to try to do that, but I'm not going to bore you with an hour's worth of burning. So I will switch me. And I thank you guys for patience. Like I said, it's my third video. I'm 61 and a half, and my motto is you're never too old to learn something new. So I'm trying to learn how to make videos, because we do a lot of stuff up north. I do a lot of woodworking. We do apothecary. We do low carb cooking. We do a lot of things, and I want to start reaching out and making videos to help, either educational or health-wise. We're not doctors, of course not. And then I have a grief video, how to deal with the waves of grief. I lost my youngest son last year, April 4th, 2025 at 4:30 is when I got the phone call. And I hope and pray that no one ever has to go through that. But It's just life things that we deal with, and I'm going to do a video on that. I do have one on there already. It's on Nanny and Pa's Adventures, if you can check that out. And I do have a video on the first video I did for updating the cabin. So hey, thanks for checking me out. Have patience with me. I'm learning. I'll get there. Please subscribe and like, share if you like it, comment, and get ready for part 2 when I get ready to start grooving and putting epoxy in there, and then I'll take it up north and then cut it down and install it. Thank you. Have a good day. Love you guys. Bye. Peace out.